Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you a little update on the 74 Ski-Doo Olympic. Got it running for the first time. Just show you that clip, show you where we're at on it. I will also show you, I bought some levers for the KX450. They're just a cheap budget eBay lever, but I think they look actually pretty good. So I mean, if you're looking for a cheap lever, maybe these are the ones you should go with. I'll try and leave a link for those down in the description. And I'm also going to give you guys a little update on the Ski-Doo TNT project that I did crank seals in, got it all together, but we've pretty much given up on it now because it just won't run right. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into this video. Another thing is, if the camera quality isn't very good on this video, it's because I'm filming on a iPhone instead of the usual camera, so we'll see how it is, but if it's not good, let me know. Here is the Olympic. Like I said, we got it running, and you guys will see that clip at the end of this video. Recoil's on there, working good. New spark plug. And yeah, it actually fired up. I was quite surprised. These are the levers that I got for the KX450. They were about 10 bucks Canadian for the pair. They have this bendy action on them, so they're gonna be hard to break, and yeah, I really like them. I think they were pretty quality for the money. I believe they were Chinese brand, but to keep in mind, they did take a long time to ship, but I mean, to me it was worth it. I wasn't in any rush, it's winter time, so yeah, that was just a nice little $10 pair of levers for this bike. Another project we got going on in the shop here, neighbor's little bike we're fixing for him. The 125 is, it's going alright, but it could still use a lot of work. TNT 440. We did the crank seals and everything, got it running, but it still doesn't run right. And in the end, we just took the heads and stuff off, and the rings are pretty much just hanging out of the pistons, I guess. So yeah. The Indy 500's running good. It's all tuned up, ready to ride. I've actually taken this thing on a ride. Anyway, we'll just get into I'll roll a little clip of the first start on this Olympic, because I know that's probably what you guys are here to see. So here that is. Alright guys, really hope you enjoyed that. So super stoked to have that running. That engine is going in the other chassis. So yeah, that's going to be just a cool little project. I can't wait to... So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.